So in pricing format, we have already set some formats for equipment and media, that it contains cat number, description, quantity, amount with GST, amount without GST, and margin if we are selling it through CP. But we are not getting the request in this format, so it will be it is difficult to work on that. Second is configuration. Configuration, it is the part of equipment price working. I am giving example of BT37. In BT37, I know that with BT37, at the time of installation, we need the regulator. If you are not giving in the pricing, because this product is for rupees 10,000. If you are not including that, I need to discuss with you that regulator is inclusive of BT37 and we need it at the time of installation. Then second issue is for syringes. There are two types of syringes, smooth syringe and normal syringe. So in smooth syringe we can see the price 1,50,000 and normal syringe price is rupees 30,000 rupee. So we need to share configuration as well for equipment pricing. Third is pricing. What happens, sometime I am getting that, madam, this is the product and you share us the pricing. In case what I do, I share only the regular list price to you. But you are very aware that what is the customer budget and what is the competitor rate in the market. If you are giving me that proper pricing, so we are able to give you the proper pricing for that. Number 4 is distributor pricing request. In distributor pricing request, there are some products like K-System, LG, Wallace, etc. Okay, so these products are pertaining to our distributor, so we are not able to give pricing for that. So you need to share us the case study why the customer does not want to purchase it from our distributor. If there is any genuine reason, so we need to take approval from our CGM and these prices will not be on hold. So you need to understand that also. Then case study. Case study is most important. Sometimes I am not getting even that customer name, location. So we need to work on that also, that what is the customer name, then the location, then what are the billing cycles they are doing, monthly and yearly, and if we are giving them these prices, then what business we are expecting from them. If we will get this case study, then it will be very smooth procedure for pricing work and it will get approved soon.